Alright guys, so back onto the Ford Ranger with the heater box issue. If you remember this vehicle, right here, you will recall that we had the broken blend door right there. And the problem is the casing won't come apart. So I was trying to figure out a way to fix that. Well, it turns out that we actually had one in stock. Mo realized that we had a 2001. This is a 98. We had a 2001 Ranger in our stash of stuff outside that actually had a dashboard already out of it that he had sold to somebody, I guess. And so we went down there and we double checked it, and sure enough, it was the same heater box. So what he did was he took the heater box out of that one and installed it in this one for me. And as you can see here, if you look, you'll see what that's supposed to look like. So now that's a good piece right there. Heater box is identical. I don't see any difference between it at all, except, believe it or not, on the 01, now go figure this, the 01 actually had a mechanical cable driven piece. It had like a pulley system that mounted to the same mounting points as the actuator motor itself. So that one worked off of cables, this one works off of an electric actuator. Go figure, the older one has the more high-tech stuff on it than the newer one. But they probably realized that there was issues with the electric one. Whatever, it doesn't matter to me. So Mo had already installed that for me, so it makes my life a little bit easier. So now I just get to install everything else. I actually put the AC box back up against the firewall and I'm recharging it now. And if you recall, you don't have to suck down the AC system. You don't lose any. So anyway, that's all that together. So hopefully you get something out of that. If you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe and make more videos, better videos, more content. That's it for now. You guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.